If you have hiccup or someone that's around you has it, this is what you will do. What you will do. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this program. My name is Dr. Hafiz Abolade, also known as Omaramide. Welcome to my channel. If you are watching this program for the first time, please don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Hafiz Abolade TV. In today's program, I want to teach you how to use jute leaf and sandpaper leaf to treat hiccup. If you are watching this program, please don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. If you are subscribed, make sure you turn your notification bell. Whenever I upload to this channel, you will be the first person to watch my program. Hiccup usually kill. If care is not taken, hiccup can kill someone. If you have someone around you that has it, this is what we do. Don't stress yourself. Please, if you are watching this program, don't forget to share it. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Go and look for jute leaf. Yoruba call it ewedu or oyo. Go and look for jute leaf and sandpaper leaf. Jute leaf and sandpaper leaf. If you are interested in our products, we have all kinds of herbs such as Aladi Aba Mixture, diabetics herb, staphylococcus, weak erection, discharge after sex, menstrual diabetes, and so on and so forth. Wherever you are, you will receive your package. Go and look for jute leaf and sandpaper leaf with one complete alligator pepper. Look for native pots. Pack all these items inside native pot. Burn it together. After that, grind it. Let it turn to powder. Use filter to filter it. Let it turn to powder. If you have someone that have hiccup, just try this. Grind it very well. Look for original honey. Pour this powder inside original honey. You can use your hand to turn it very well. You can use your hand to turn it very well. You can use stick to turn it very well. Be nicking it anytime. It's small, but it's mighty. Don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.